Rotary Club of Polo City Imphal organised a blood donation camp today at Blood Bank and Transfusion Unit Jennings, Porombar. Standard Robert Higher Secondary School Kanchipur Union staged a sit-in protest in front of the school gate demanding justice for baby Sana. 1,098 non-tribal from northern part of Mizoram without valid inner line permit was arrested on Friday, a report says. 3 persons were arrested by a team of Bishnupur police and commando over illegal electrofishing in watercourse of Loktak Lake late last night. This came after Tom TV aired a report on finding of dead fish floating on the surface of Loktak Lake every morning for the past 2 months. 11 persons are reportedly tested positive for Japanese encephalitis in Thoubal district. Preventive measures have been jointly taken up by the Thoubal Chief Medical Officer, District Malaria Officer, Integrated Disease Surveillance Unit, National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program and local clubs to control the situation. Students of Johnson Higher Secondary School shut the school today in protest against the shortage and transfer of teachers. KF and PD Minister Karam Shyam is flagging off cyclist G. Ingo B. Chingtham for a 7-nation cycle tour from Kangla today. The cyclist will visit Myanmar, Thailand, Malaysia, Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam and Singapore. After receiving serious security alerts by intelligence, Amarnath Yatra pilgrims and tourists have been advised by the Jammu and Kashmir government to leave the Kashmir Valley immediately and go back. This was announced by Kashmir government keeping in view of the latest intelligence inputs of terror threats and specific targeting of the Amarnath Yatra and prevailing securities in the Kashmir Valley. The Northeastern Hill University Students' Union have decided to discuss the need to change the academic calendar of NEHU. It decided to ensure that there is no delay in the declaration of results of various examinations conducted by the university. The NEHUSU took the decision on Friday after the NEHU authority delayed the declaration of results of exam conducted for 6th semester of various colleges in the state. The union also announced its decision to put off its indefinite strike in view of the declaration of the 6th semester results by NEHU.